Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the low-hanging problems so you can see what remains. First, install pending Windows updates and restart. Many store failures self-correct after an update. Make sure you are signed into the Microsoft account in the store and that your network is stable. Next, run WS Reset, EXE to clear the store cache. This often restores app launch behavior. Once done, restart again and test an app so you know whether to continue deeper troubleshooting. Now you move into targeted fixes that address app-level and system-level corruption. Repair or reset the problematic app from Settings app's advanced options. Repair preserves data, while reset reinstalls the app. If reinstalling from the store fails, open PowerShell as admin and re-register store, and apps with the appropriate add apps package commands to rebuild registrations. Then run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanup image. Finish by confirming supporting services and performing final reinstalls so apps can start reliably. Check that Windows Update, bits, and the store-related services are running, restart them and test again. If the store itself is corrupted, reinstall it via PowerShell or create a new Windows user profile to isolate account-level issues. Once complete, test several apps. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, run the built-in Microsoft Store Apps Troubleshooter or roll back to a recent system restore point to return to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.